So welcome to AT Math Academy. This is a unit circle with the radius 1 unit, and this circle is used as the basis for calculating the various trigonometric identities. So here is the unit circle. I have explained this circle in my previous video, and in this video I'm going to write down the values for the coordinates x and y for each of the values 30, 60, 45, all the different degree values. So I have redrawn my unit circle here exactly. So in this video I'm going to explain you how we are going to write the coordinates for each of the values. So this is my first quadrant Q1, and this is my second quadrant Q2. This is my third quadrant Q3, and this is my fourth quadrant Q4. This is 30 degrees, and this is 45, this is 60, and this is 90. And here we can draw three more here. So this is again 120, and this is 135, and one more which is 150. Okay, and here I'm going to draw three more lines here, which this is 180. So this will be 180 plus 30, which is 210, 180 plus 45, which is 225, 180 plus 60, which is 240, and this is 270 in the bottom. And here in the last quadrant 4, I'm going to draw three lines here. 270 plus 30 here. 270 plus 30 is 300, and 270 plus 45 is 315. 270 plus 60 is 330, and this is 360. Okay, and the radius is 1. So the coordinates here is x and y. So the x value is 1 and 0 is the y value. Here we have the x value as -1 to the left hand side, negative x-axis, and on the top here we have the x value is 0 and y value is 1. On the bottom 270 it is 0 for x and negative y, 1 for y. So now we are going to find out the remaining values. For 30, this coordinate system is x comma y. The first coordinate value will be cos theta. So whatever this is theta, here we are applying the cos function for that and writing the first coordinate. When we apply the sine function for that, we are going to get the second quadrant. So for x it is cos 30, which is root 3 by 2, and for y it is sine 30, which is 1 by 2. And for 45 degrees, again it is for x value it would be cos 45 and sine 45. So values here are 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Okay, and here for 60, the x comma y coordinates are cos 60 and sine 60. So the values are, for cos it is 1 by 2, and for sine 60 it is root 3 by 2. And when you observe this in the first quadrant, all my values are positive because I keep my sine and cosine as positive in the first quadrant. Hence all the coordinates here are positive. So this is how you wrote the values for the first quadrant. Coming to the second quadrant, what happens here is sine value becomes positive and cos value becomes negative. So let's do that. So for 120, the x coordinate is cos 120 and y coordinate is sine 120. So cos 120 can be found out by using sine 180 minus 60, right? 180 minus 60 is 120. Okay,